Stanza 13. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard, I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink, we would have been thrice times as brave we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. Now, its explanation. It became very clear that who is brave and who is a coward after the pirate incident. But Mustard started to give excuses for his cowardice and said that he would have been twice as brave as Custard if he had not got nervous when the pirate came. Ink and Blink said that they would have been thrice as brave as the dragon. They could not believe that Custard, the coward dragon, had done such a heroic act, and so they started giving excuses for running away. The humble dragon accepted that he was the most coward and everyone was braver than him. Central idea of the poem. The Tale of Custard the Dragon is a funny poem that tells the story of a little girl, Belinda, and her pets. Belinda lives with her little pets, a kitten, a mouse, a dog, and a dragon, in a little house. Belinda and all her pets except the dragon have been described as very brave creatures, but the dragon is such a coward that it is always looking for the safety in a cage. The dragon, however, surprised everyone with his brave act of killing a pirate who had come to Belinda's house and meant harm to her and her pets. The poet has tried to convey a message in his simple poem, Never judge a book by its cover. Dragon, who is generally meek and coward, shows his bravery at the right moment and saves everyone from the pirate. Poetic devices used in the poem. Simile. When comparison is made between two words using like or as. For example, mouth like a firehouse. Belinda was as brave as a barrel. Snorting like an engine. Clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon. He went at the pirate like a robin at the worm. Rhyme scheme. Every stanza of the poem has the rhyme scheme AABB. In stanza 13, rhyming scheme is AABBCC. Repetition. Suddenly, suddenly they heard. Belinda paled and she cried, help, help.